Why is my eTrade account closed? It's a chilling statistic. Over 500,000 brokerage accounts were closed in 2023 alone, a 12% increase from the previous year. eTrade, a once beloved online brokerage, has been implicated in a significant portion of these closures. But why are so many investors finding themselves locked out of their hard-earned funds? By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Now that is out of the way, let's continue with our video. One of the most common reasons for eTrade account closures is suspicious activity. If the platform detects unusual trading patterns, large deposits or withdrawals, or attempts to access your account from unfamiliar locations, they may flag it for review. This can lead to temporary account restrictions, or in severe cases, permanent closure. Another frequent culprit is inactivity. If you haven't logged into your account or executed trades for an extended period, eTrade may deem it dormant and close it to reduce overhead costs. While these reasons may seem straightforward, many investors report feeling unfairly targeted or left in the dark about the specific actions that triggered the closure. This lack of transparency can be frustrating and even damaging, especially if you have significant funds tied up in your eTrade account. It's crucial to note that eTrade is not alone in this practice. Many other financial institutions have similar policies in place to protect themselves from fraud and reduce costs. However, the frequency and severity of eTrade account closures have garnered significant attention and criticism. If you find yourself facing an eTrade account closure, it's essential to act quickly. Contact their customer service department immediately to inquire about the reasons for the closure and explore any potential avenues for reinstatement. If you believe the closure was unjustified, you may have grounds for a dispute. While eTrade offers a range of investment tools and resources, the risk of account closure is a significant drawback. If you're concerned about the security or longevity of your brokerage account, it may be worth considering alternative platforms with more lenient policies or a stronger track record of customer satisfaction. Ultimately, the decision of where to invest your money is a personal one, and it's essential to weigh the potential benefits and risks carefully.